Jonathan Decker here with 8020guy.com, and this video is a quick response to the interview recently done by Joey Kissimmee on his show, The Income Press Podcast, as he interviewed Andrew Warner. And some quick takeaway points that Andrew Warner stated in his interview was, first, just shut up and listen. He has a story about his friend Robbie that illustrates this point further. I'll let you listen to that to find out more about it. Andrew Warner talks about how people want to talk about personal things and connect. They don't want to just talk about the fluff, like where you went to work, where you went to school. So if that takes asking an embarrassing question, don't be afraid and ask, which leads me to my next point. When he never apologized for asking his interviewees a tough question, because if it bothers you, if it bothers him, it's probably other people want to know as well. I appreciated that. And then finally, as selective as Andrew Warner is on having guests on his show, I like the fact that Andrew Warner doesn't like to say no when other people want to have him on as a guest. So I really enjoyed it. Keep up the great work, guys. Thanks.